You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this American poet and novelist. If you want to learn more names from literature and their correct pronunciations, I've got tons more coming up at the end of this video, so stay tuned. Charles, of course, Bukowski, a name of Polish origin, I believe, Bukowski. So yeah, pronounce the W like a V, Bukowski. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.